Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Grand alliance can happen only between political parties and not independent MLAs. AICC General Secretary Digvijay Singh on Mahagathbandhan. Students of Film Television Institute of India screen their movies at private venue. Says film festivals cannot go ahead without student participation. No need of qualified censor board for films. Common man should be censor of films. Filmmaker Anurag Basu blames Congress for setting the culture. Do not politicize Father Bismarck death case or else I'll expose all, says singer Hema Sardesai. Goa Citizen Forum demands appointment of SIT before 27th. And FC Goa hosts Northeast United in final home game of ISL 2. The Gors aim for semi-final qualification with victory over Highlanders. And now the news in detail. There cannot be grand opposition alliance with independent MLAs as alliance is held between political parties. This is Digvijay Singh's reply to the Mahagathbandhan idea in Goa. We have to be aggressive on the floor of the house is Digvijay Singh's message to the MLAs. Luisino Falero again promoted the idea of youth empowerment in the party and appealed seniors to take new developments sportingly.
Pradesh Congress faces a big internal debate over backing the proposed third front and the grand opposition alliance. AICC General Secretary and Goa desk in charge, Digvijay Singh, arrived in Goa amidst this chorus. He landed in Goa on Monday night. He had several meetings with party workers and GPCC members to assess the situation on Tuesday morning. Digvijay also met with Executive Committee at 11 am in Panji. Some of the main party workers plan to meet Digvijay Singh individually. Out of 9, 5 MLAs met Digvijay Singh. Digvijay Singh briefed Executive Committee members. Singh said, Mahagathbandhan is done between parties and not with independent MLAs. How can there be a grand alliance with independent MLAs? Appealed to independent MLAs to criticize BJP and not Congress if they are fighting on ideological grounds. Those who are scared and do not wish to fight, they may leave Congress and join BJP. We have to be aggressive on the floor of the house. We have to take action against party dissidents who worked against our candidates in 2012 Assembly election. GPCC President Luisino Falero addressed Congress workers on Tuesday morning. He said, Congress should have option of 10 new faces in every constituency. Party should have a lineup of Karyakartas in every constituency. Seniors should not take this youth promotion wrongly. AICC General Secretary Digvijay Singh will meet all Congress MLAs and main party workers. Singh will also interact with the office bearers on the state party matters and the 2017 Assembly poll strategy. Singh will address media later in the evening. Later in the evening, Digvijay Singh addressed media.
At the moment, we have no alliances whatsoever. So therefore, at the moment, we are preparing to fight all the 40 seats.
Lokik Shilkar with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
How can film festivals be held without student participation? The question comes from students of Film and Television Institute of India. They have also opposed imposition of Section 144 in the city. Students have also condemned scrapping of the students section at IFFI. The aggrieved students screened their films at Institute Piedad, protesting against the IFFI management.
This year is that IFFI has cancelled the entire student section. In these circumstances, we felt that it is important that delegates get to students are doing of the film school, which has been so much in news recently, for not all the best reasons.
Students के बिना film festivals नहीं होंगे. आप अपनी मर्जी से student section हटा नहीं सकते. This cannot be allowed. We need to reclaim some territory as filmmakers, as students, as independent filmmakers. We want to reiterate that this is our constituency. How we organize anything in INOX, Section 144 being applied there. These are very pertinent questions of why this festival is going on like this.
Which film festival? Protest is a part of the culture. वयर ऑक्टोबर 7 तारखेर 2015 वर्सा म्हणजे एक देड म्हयनो जालो आसतलो लंडनांत फिल्म फेस्टिवल जालें आनी पयल्या दिसा जे फिल्म सुफ्राजेट म्हणून हें एक्झिबिशन जालें थिंगा ब्रिटीश बायलांचो व्हडलो प्रोटेस्ट जालो. रेड कार्पेट तेणी 100 प्रोटेस्टरांनी आडायलो पूण ब्रिटीश गव्हर्मेंटान तेजेर एक्शन घेवंक ना. तो प्रोटेस्ट जालो ते प्रोटेस्टर कुशीन गेले आनी फिल्म फेस्टिवल चल्लें.
In this अच्छे दिन you don't have to say anything, do anything. What you're wearing can lead to curbing of your freedoms. This is nothing but an emergency.
Flight operations at Daboli Airport will be regular from 29th November. The Indian Navy had issued a notam to the airport authorities and airline operators to restrict the flight operations for 6 hours at Daboli Airport from October 1st to November 29th. This was in view of shouldering work of the Daboli Airport runway. Airport director informed that domestic flights at Daboli Airport have increased as compared to last year.
थॉमस कुक एयरलाइंस के कुछ दिक्कत आई थी वो टाइमिंग में आने के लिए. सो पारिकर साहब ने इंटरव्यू किया था, नेवी को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था. अकॉर्डिंगली जिस दिन वो थॉमस कुक एयरलाइंस का जो ऑपरेशन था उस दिन वो काम बंद कर दिया. हफ्ता में सिर्फ 3 दिन काम करने के आदेश दिया है. उसी के हिसाब से काम चला है. अभी 29 तक वो काम चलेगा, हफ्ता में 3 दिन. 29 पहले पूरा काम होने का संभावना है. कुछ काम बचा तो वो बाद में मार्च के बाद फिर नोटम लेके काम खत्म करेंगे.
The airport authorities have allocated space for the planned quarantine department to stock perishable goods at the Dabolim airport.
उसका ऑफिस के लिए भी जगह दे दिया हमने. वो अभी ऑफिस पूरा बनने का टाइम है और टेम्पररी वो कंकर का प्रेमिसेस से ये प्लान क्वारंटाइन डिपार्टमेंट ऑपरेट कर रहा है. पहले तो सर्टिफिकेट दे रहा है. इसी की वजह से जो पहले जो प्रॉब्लम था पेरिशेबल गुड्स के लिए वो प्रॉब्लम अभी नहीं है. पहले तो सर्टिफिकेट यही मिल रहा है एयरपोर्ट में. सो एक्सपोर्ट में थोड़ा बढ़ोतरी आने का संभावना है इसकी वजह से.
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.